Yo, what's happening? This is your boy Gemini 4 Real, and we back with another part 2. Had to cut that a little short. So, since we waiting on parts now, I'm finna just do little stuff here and there. It's another day. And thought about just cleaning the frame up a little bit. The part of the frame that is really gonna show, like the side. Let me see. Can you see it better? Like the side of the frame, right there. That's big. So all I'm using is a Scotch-Brite and soap and water. Yeah, soap and water. That's all I ever use really, is Scotch-Brite and soap and water. So first, here's my spray for it. I soak it. I wet it, soak it, I wet it, spray a little bit on Scotch-Brite. This ain't on this Scotch-Brite anyway. And I just clean away. I said I'm just gonna do the main part, which you can see for right now. Wipe it off. If y'all can't tell the difference, I can. Just from that little scrub I just did, I can tell the difference. Don't know if the camera can pick it up, there's different. But I'm doing a time lapse starting now. Alright, if you can see a difference, it is now. Like, it used to look like, hold on, give me a minute. Alright, it used to look like that, somewhat. Now I got it looking a little better than what it was. Like I said, I just want to clean up the spot, which you can see outside of the plastic. I do a full good wash on. I ain't really gave the bike a good wash yet since I had it. So I'm gonna get that part first, this part, and scrub that. I think you can see this part on the, yeah, you can see this part on the dirt bike. So I'll probably do that part next. But you can see a night and day difference. Like I said, it look dull and dirty as shit. So now I'm finna do this side. Like I said, it's a night and day difference. That's why I'm doing it. And so I'm gonna do it later. And I ain't doing nothing but waiting on parts now. So piston's supposed to be coming today, but I might not get to it today because I gotta go to work later. Later on tonight I go to work, so probably get to it tomorrow if it do come back before I leave. I'm gonna do this side in real time. I ain't gonna do a time lapse on this side. Y'all can actually see how long it takes. I don't have a stopwatch, so y'all time it. But this is the method I use for all the dirt bikes, four-wheelers. Anytime they come in with a chrome front, aluminum frame, and they look, I get them, they look older. I don't want to say rusted, but they look like ain't nobody never did this to them. Basically, brought the life. Basically, like this, you bring the frame back to life. That's what I want to call it right now. Can't think of the right word I'm looking for, but I'm gonna say bring back to life. So a lot of scrubbing. So when you do stuff like this to your bike, it make you cherish your bike more. It make you just not just throw your bike anywhere when you get finished with it. Like that's what I try to teach my son a little bit. Like when he rides his bike, we try to get him to clean it, but he end up just spraying it off and running in the house after he finished. So little stuff like this goes a long ways. Like the gas tank is way low here, so I really don't mind that part way low there getting too clean. Really, it's like from here to here what I want to clean. I don't know if I'm just the swing arm or not. I might, I don't know, depending on how much time I got before I have to go get ready for it. And if you ain't seen part one of me talking about the bike, how I got the bike, it's up now. It's traded to 400 EX for a price that bike. Don't know why. Yeah. You go in front though. You go in front though. Yeah. But anyway. If you can see it, I don't know if y'all can see it how I see it right now. Alright. If y'all hear in the background, the whining, it's my puppies. They're like Monday, they're born Monday, they're 4 days old now. So they can't see, all they can do is smell. So all they're doing is whining when they get it's 7 of them and the mother first time on, so she gotta ease her way across the other ones and pick them up. I'll show them in another video if y'all want to see them. But I'm basically done. Like I said, soap and water and a Scotch spray. That's all I'm using. And a little elbow grease. And when I do it, I like to go like with the flow of the bike. So you want to see like swirls in the when you finish. Like some people, I've seen some people do like this, and you can see the swirls in it. Well, I can. I don't know about some people, but I can. not doing all this up here, so you can't even see that when the plastic on. So now I got the biggest parts done. Now I just gotta get like the little corner pieces. This side's done. I think on my head, I think I even polished the kickstand. Well, not polished it, but cleaned it up a little bit. It's mostly done now. If you can see it, I can't see what y'all see, but until I edit it or look at it, hold on. Now that's better than what it was. So I thought about doing that, but you really can't see that when the number plate stuff go on there. So I'm not too much worried about that. Too much. So I might clean up the brake next, clean up the brake or the swing arm. Might do the swing arm. Might just go ahead and do it. But whoever keeping time, that's how long it takes. Oh, I didn't get the inside right here. I just realized I missed the spot right there. So I'm finna do that part. I mean, it don't have to be perfect right at the first time. I mean, if you're just that neat freak person, you want it perfect. Like I said, I still ain't washed the bike yet since I don't have the bike. So I'm just getting when I wash it, I know it's gonna look even better than what it's looking right now. Alright, so you get these little cracks right here. Like just that little bit made a difference on the bike. Again, might well start on the swing arm. I might time lapse this side, and yeah, I probably time lapse this side, and I show you real time on the next side. Now, if you can see the difference, I'm done with it now on this side. Now I'm going to show you real time on the other side. you can see a night and day difference. I'll show you the difference. See how that looks. And that's how this side looks. I mean, I'm probably put some polish on it or something. Look at the puppies. You want to see them? There you go. You see, I keep hearing whining in my background. That's them. But, here we go. Spray a little soap. Soap and water. Marinate. Scissor tape. And don't hesitate. There it is. Alright. This side I got to stand up. I might be doing this side faster than I did the other side. I'm standing up. I'm not going to get the inside because I don't feel like taking that tire off. So whenever I take that back tire off, then I do the insides. Maybe. I don't know how I'm feeling that day. And if you go that fast, this is real time, no speed up, no nothing. That's how fast I just went. Now I might hit it one more time. Alright. Really like done. You can see a difference. Somewhat, maybe you can't, maybe some can. But I can. So, alright, that's one way you can clean your frame on your dirt bikes. Soap, water, and a Scotch Brite. So again, this is part 2. I'm coming back with part 3 when I put parts on the bike. Let's get it.